So basic negation is next. Negation just means not. That's it. So I like something, I do not like something. We've negated the sentence. And I like to refer to it as our ne pas sandwich, because there are some things that are going to go in our sandwich and some things that are not going to go in it. And right now we're just learning our not negation. There are other ways to say, to negate a sentence like never or not at all. For now, we'll just focus on the one word, not. Now we have two words, notice. It's not just one. That's why we have a sandwich. We have two parts of this. But it's really simple. When we start out, the only thing that we're going to put in the sandwich is a conjugated verb. The conjugated verb. So I speak French. Speak. This is our conjugated verb. We've taken off the ER. We've added our ending on. So if you want to say I do not speak, je ne parle pas. And of course you would write it sideways. I'm just trying to fit everything in so you can see it. Je ne parle pas. Something to watch out for is if you have vowels. So notice how we had a contraction here, j'aime. Well, now we need the ne pas to go around our verb, so we have to move over this je. And since it's not going to be near a vowel anymore, we should put it back to je. Je n'aime pas. Okay? Je n'aime pas. Now we have ne and pas around that, and we made a contraction and an apostrophe because we have this vowel. And again, it's important to remember it goes around the conjugated verb because here I have two verbs. I have je vais and I have étudier. This is the verb aller and it is conjugated. This is the verb étudier and it is not conjugated. A verb that is not conjugated is called the infinitive, and that exists in English. To be, to study, to run, to jump, to eat. That's our infinitives. In English, we identify them with to, and in French, we identify them with ending in er, ir, or re. So we know this is not conjugated. It is infinitive. It ends in that er. This is not going to go in the sandwich. This is our conjugated verb, so this will go in our ne pas sandwich. Je ne vais pas étudier. I am not going to study. Okay? That is basic negation.